Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you an Auto-Caption CapCut tutorial. Let's begin. So once you've opened up CapCut, you're going to add a video of your choice. So I've added in this one there in the timeline, and then you're going to go to the top and then look for something which says captions. And as you can see there, Auto-Caption has automatically been chosen. So then you can also choose the language of your captions. So mine is going to be English. And then you can also choose the bilingual captions and then the identify filler words as well. So then if I just want words generated, I'm going to go to the side here where it says generate. So now it says generating, so you just have to wait a bit. And as you can see there, there's going to be this orange bar and with these white lines, and that's going to show us that the captions have already been added. So that's great. So now if I play the video, it's going to show there. So life is a series of peaks and valleys. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.